Every year, billions of dollars are created from nothing but cotton, ink, and precision. This is how it happens. Inside one of the most secure factories on Earth. From raw cotton fiber to a finished $100 bill.
It all starts with something you'd never expect.
Welcome to the complete process of how money is made. U.S. currency paper isn't made from wood pulp like regular paper. It's made from 75% cotton and 25% linen fibers. These fibers are pulped and mixed with water into a fine slurry. This slurry is spread across a fine mesh screen. Forming the very first layer of what will become currency paper. Right here, a security thread is deep inside the paper. Then the sheet is dried and pressed until it's perfectly smooth. Before any ink touches the paper, watermarks are pressed into it. A special roller called a dandy roll creates this hidden image.
Every single sheet is inspected before printing even begins.
Once approved, the blank sheets move to the printing stage. And this is where the real transformation begins. First, the iconic green ink is loaded into the press. Specially formulated to resist counterfeiting.
The first printing pass adds the background patterns. Intricate fine line patterns that are nearly impossible to replicate.
Each sheet holds 32 individual bills at once.
Printed in giant uncut sheets for maximum efficiency.
Before the next layer, every sheet must dry completely. This process can take up to 72 hours.
Patience is everything in currency production. Now comes the most important step, intaglio printing. This technique presses ink into deeply engraved grooves. Using thousands of pounds of pressure per square inch.
This is what gives the bill its signature raised texture.
You can actually feel the portrait when you run your finger over it.
A feature that's almost impossible for counterfeiters to copy.
Once again, the sheets rest and dry before moving forward.
Next, a special color-shifting ink is added.
It appears to change color depending on the angle you view it.
Precision sensors ensure every layer aligns perfectly. Even a millimeter of misalignment means the sheet is rejected.
High-speed cameras inspect every single sheet automatically. Any imperfect sheet is instantly pulled and destroyed.
Only flawless sheets continue to the next stage. Now each bill receives something completely unique.
A serial number that will never be repeated.
This identifies exactly where the bill was printed.
At this point, the sheet looks almost complete.
But it still isn't money yet, Phoebe, not until it's cut.
Time for the final transformation.
A high-precision cutting machine slices the sheets apart. Each cut separates 32 bills from a single sheet. And just like that, individual bills start to appear.
Thousands of identical notes, ready for the next step.
An automated counter verifies every single note.
Exactly 100 notes per bundle, every time.
Precision at every level of the process.
Before anything leaves the factory, it's inspected one more time.
Under UV light, a hidden security strip glows.
Tilt it, and a hidden bell symbol seems to disappear and reappear.
Every security feature is verified by machine and by hand. Anything that doesn't pass inspection is immediately destroyed. Shredded into thousands of tiny pieces, beyond recognition. The approved bundles move on to their final destination. Bundles are sealed and tracked with unique identification codes.
Every package is logged into a secure tracking database.
From here, the money enters one of the most secure vaults on Earth.
Protected by multiple layers of physical and digital security.
Before being loaded onto armored vehicles for transport. Headed to Federal Reserve banks across the country. From there, it enters circulation polig, and eventually, your wallet.
Did you know a dollar bill can survive folding over 4,000 times before tearing?
On average, a $1 bill lasts about 6 years in circulation.
Facilities like this produce millions of notes every single day.
Each bill carries dozens of invisible security features. All designed for one simple reason, a droob, to keep your money real. From raw cotton to the cash in your pocket, that's how money is made.
If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more Inside the Factory stories.